Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the door handle on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Use a T20 Torx bit screwdriver to remove the screws, securing the inner door panel to the outer panel. Avoid fully removing the door latch mounting screws. Carefully separate the two door panels. Use a 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the handle. Fully remove the first screw and support plate. Leave the second screw and support plate in place. Set the old handle aside. Before you install the new door handle, realign the first support plate and insert the mounting screw through the outer door panel. Now align the handle and thread the screws to secure. Join the inner and outer door panels together. Tighten the door latch mounting screws. Replace the remainder of the screws to secure the two panels. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.